All right, there's my cart. I can put another strap there on the back where that second support holds it up and without any problem. But that one really doesn't need it because it only weighs like 58 pounds. It works good. There's no, those 15-inch wheels handle this gravel a whole lot better than the little bitty dinky ones on most of those carts. And there's not a whole lot of flex in the pipe. Fits under there real well, and I don't think I'll have any problems hauling it around. And then it'll fold up if I have to take it anywhere, and I can fold it up and put it under the bungees in the back or something, put it in the trunk of the car or whatever. I kind of like it. $20 is, I had the wheels and I had the threaded 5/8 inch threaded rod for the axle, so I only used about $38 worth of PVC, and I've got enough left over to do another one. And if I do the other one, I'm only going to use 8-inch wheels. And I've got to do another one because I've got one kayak that don't have a cart. That one over there has got a cart, but it's a store-bought, cost me $70. So I think I'll go the cheap route. I think it'll be better anyway. All right, if anybody needs a how-to video, holler.